Tips with me, Maria Marquis. In this Coda tip, we're going to take a look at how you can use your great work across other docs. So here, I've got this great coffee journal that I've been putting together. And maybe I want to use this same pattern or this same kind of information or approach in another doc. Or maybe I realize, oh my gosh, I put my coffee journal in my pizza journal. How embarrassing. I need to move this. You can. All you need to do is open up your little side panel, click the little dot, 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 and notice we have the duplicate, which lets you duplicate on this particular doc, but you can choose copy to doc, which then allows you to choose the new doc you want this to live in, or maybe a brand new blank doc starting from scratch. I'm gonna do that right now. Click next. Then I can decide, do I wanna bring all of the rows or maybe just the headers, right? I just like this structure. I wanna reuse it and remix it. I'm gonna do that. Go ahead and choose copy. It's now gonna create a brand new doc for me, and now I can start adding everything net new right here, and notice all of my wonderful content and my handy little conditional formatting come through as well. So, copy to doc, have some fun, and I'll see you next time.